I am back in Ocean City, or actually I'm still in Ocean City. You may remember that not too long ago I was here filming a video on the new pirate ship, the new parrot, the new everything, the squid, the water. And in that video I said to you that I was going to film a video going inside the arcade since, yes, we're getting a new pirate ship and all that, but the bigger thing is that the arcade is officially done. And so I figured let's do a quick little tour for you inside. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up, and a special thank you out to my Patreons at patreon.com. It's because of them that we can do videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's get started. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. Just a little recap as we're walking over there. That fire came through, it destroyed the pirate ship and everything inside. It took a couple of years to finally get things built, permits and all that jazz. And now it's officially here. Brand new games, brand new everything, new floor, you name it. Remember, they had to build it from the ground up. And so we're gonna take you guys inside right now. This is the main entrance, the doors that slide in and out so it can keep the cold inside, which is very, very nice. And here we go. Wow. Take a look. Oh, it's actually pretty cold in here for the spring. But first thing you'll notice is the floor. They did that stamped concrete, which makes it look like wood, which is awesome because, you know, it's almost like you're entering the ship or towards the cove. And so it feels like you're on a pirate ship walking with the planks down. But we're here for a lot of different stuff. So let's circle around, okay? Photo booths. This looks like, and I don't quote me on this almost looks like a mini stage back here. I can imagine them doing concerts back here, which is pretty neat. Got Godzilla. This actually looks really neat. It's the goggles, you put them on. I always like a good VR game. Got racing. Of course, you got your skee ball. I like it because it's a more modern take on skee ball with the lights on the sides. But it's still like the skee ball we all kind of grew up on. Actually, funny enough, skee ball, the original alley game. Like I said before, it's old but modern at the same time. Actually, but a nice little Inco for this as well. Got dodgeball. Oh, that's fun. This is actually, that looks like fun. I actually like this a lot. I need this for my basement, but I don't think it's gonna fit. Actually, I kind of do want to actually play this game for a bit. You've got hoops, which is sort of like tic-tac-toe in a way. So you try to shoot it into one of the baskets, and then that will go down a line. Here you can purchase your game card. 510. Here. Comes out. Got some kid rides over here. I cut over. They're playing some water game, which is kind of cool. You guys want some dinosaurs or rubber duckies? The dinosaurs here and rubber duckies on this side. Oh, this is the Walking Dead one. That's why they keep around that one. You got ice walkers. It's like another water game. Yeah, it does look like another water game. There's so many cool games. Like I wish I had these games when I was a kid. This is really neat. Really cool theming too. Got your traditional basketball and racing. Going this way, we got a soccer one, which I'm not doing with my shoes. So I got flip-flops on. That's pretty neat. Let's see, the ball comes out the side and you kick it up. Very modern arcade, very modern. You got bowling. This is pitch. You see they're still working on something. You can see tape on some of the machines. There's your traditional down the clown. This one, man, oh gosh, look at those colors come through. I know I keep talking, I actually want to play some of these games. Just hard to do that when I'm looking at everything at first. But got some more racing games over here. You got Halo. Oh my God, dude. Look at this thing. This is sick. Oh. Yeah, they're still working on some stuff, but still really neat. 76ers hoops. If you could play this well, please, the 76ers could use you on the court. Quarterback, oh, this should be the Eagles. Come on, right? Play like a pro. We're Super Bowl champs, baby. Then out here we got one of the kid rides that go in a circle. And now you're outside, which the rides are not open today, but they built in these steps over here and then a ramp to the left. Let's see if it's closed off. I think it is closed off because they're closed for the day. Actually, no, it's still open. Walk around for a second. Turn around so you can actually see the arcade again. Pretty neat. Oh, this was that other water game. You saw that they were like, what you get water coming out, and as you're playing, you have to shoot for the dinosaurs with your water gun, which is really neat. Water actually comes out, so. As we're walking outside, let me know what you guys think inside. I very much like the very modern games. It's really neat. Anyway, now the pier already opened not too long ago, at least some of the stuff. So you may notice some things are covered, still closed for the year. They got a couple more weeks to kind of get them up and running. But let me show you around. Extreme cyclone. And of course, guys, I know it's not open right now. It will soon though. Gale force. Such a great coaster. Tell you one thing, it's definitely weird to be here when it's not open in the middle of the day. In a few weeks, we're not going to have this. It's all going to be full and very open. There's only so much I can share with you because it sounds like they're power washing down that end and they got things closed off. But it is kind of neat to be here when nothing's open. It's a different feeling. But I don't want to bother the crew, so just a quick little turn for you. You can see alien abduction, here's extreme cyclone, gale force, and wild waves, of course, forgot. And yeah, see another ride over here is not open just yet. Like I said, pretty soon all these things will be open. But here's something you don't see every day. Look at this. They put their Snap-on toolkits right on the back of their golf carts. That is actually really clever. Pretty neat, pretty neat. I have to say, I found something really funny that I did not expect. So, you know, they have the measuring stick here, and it's like you're stepping away, you're like, oh man, I'm taller than that. Turns out I'm not. I don't know why I find that funny. Why am I so short? No, anyway, guys, that is my tour for you today. I have to admit, it's once again, it's kind of weird to walk around here with it not open. It's weird to do that for all amusement parks. I mean, down at Morty's Piers, it's not officially open yet for the season. And I mean, pretty much any seaside shore is not like really ready to go just yet, or they may have just opened, or they're getting things ready to go. But yeah, let me know what you think about everything in the comment section below. I do want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm admiring all the concrete work they've done because they did a lot. Didn't there used to be a ride here? I could have sworn there was. Maybe I'm mistaken. Anyway, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which is right that way. I'll see you later. Bye.